back there.
On November 8th, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane splitting. Lane splitting may be legal in California, but not in Arkansas. Also not legal in Arkansas, going double the speed limit. The trooper quickly flips on his lights and sirens, attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit, one where officers utilize a tactic never seen before on this channel. Traveling eastbound on I-40. This second officer is likely rushing through traffic in hopes to continue the chase if the motorcyclist outpaces the pursuing officer. Otherwise, if the suspect heads south, the officer will have to use an unusual tactic to stop the chase, which would be coming from the opposite side of the highway. According to the speed tracker on the officer's cruiser, the pursuit reaches speeds of 142 miles per hour. One small misstep by this motorcyclist at these high speeds, and he's done for.
Blue motorcycle, rider's wearing a tan shirt, dark green pants, and I'll try to break your neck, get up there, he's able to stay with him. Now we are close. Okay, listen, if he gets to that trash, should get in there, that traffic back up, carry this or the airline, we'll kill him.
A third officer joins the pursuit and jumps onto 40 East, just behind the initial cruiser. The second cruiser is still traveling northbound on I-430, and it looks like he won't be able to catch up in time to continue the chase on I-40. However, the suspect is coming up to this fork in the highway. He can either continue east on I-40, or he could decide to take an exit to travel southbound on I-430 and unknowingly travel towards the second pursuing officer. The suspect did take the I-430 South exit and is now heading directly towards the second officer. Thinking fast, the officer drives his cruiser over the median in an attempt to make a blockade on the highway.
430 southbound. And on the shoulder right now. 430 south, get ready to go up to 12. Right now, 430 south, get ready to go up to 12. And 37 ahead of it. 430 southbound. With the transplant.
He wrecked out. Hey, get on the f***ing ground! On the ground, now! On the ground! You're on back there.
Hey, can I got
Hey, shut the f*** up!
Hey, can I take this helmet off?
Hey, shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck. We're cutting it.
You got these clips on the front. Yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little pull tab.
I don't
That
care.
red tab.
I don't care. It's getting cut off.
Okay.
Hey, face the car. The right remain silent.
Yes, sir.
You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Bike stolen?
No, sir. I just found it on Saturday. I have the bill of sale on this phone.
Slide in.
That. Can I pull these pants
Get
up
in.
real quick? Okay. I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have.
You're right.
I shouldn't have put y'all through that.
Gun. Ronald, take a picture of where this gun is.
Let me get my camera.
Yes, sir.
How do you run off the road?
I blocked this lane and the shoulder.
That's the only reason the damn pursuit stopped.
He could either stop or run off.